Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. In a few minutes, we're going to go ahead, well, at 10 o'clock. I don't know what time you're watching this at, but at 10 o'clock this morning, we're going to go ahead and do a Google Hangout. Everyone should have got an invitation to that. If you didn't, quickly send me an email and I'll get you right in, or I'll send you the link. We're going to talk about our weekend news this week. So make sure you're sitting in a quiet spot with no siblings around. Make sure your computer is muted until I call on you, and we'll be raising our hands and asking questions like we did on Friday. But this time there's nothing to share physically to show us. It will just be your weekend news, just like we do every Monday in class, all right? So for your writing today, you can even write that and get ready. So you're ready for our Google Hangout, or you can do one of the free writes, or you can even do one of the writing prompts, okay? So today for foundations, you're gonna be cutting out your 3 new trick words: other, another, and friend. Go ahead and cut those out, add those to your Octopus Awe book, and also make sure you put those in your folder with all your other trick words, and make sure you're reading through and practicing those. If you're really good at reading them, go ahead and start copying them down and start practicing spelling them. You can do them if your mom or dad wants to put shaving cream down, you can write them in shaving cream, you can roll them out in Play-Doh like we do. Whatever is going to help you remember those words. All right, so that's it for foundations and for writing today. Before we go on to math, science either today or tomorrow is this fun little planting song, which is super fun. And then these little pictures, and they are numbered to help you. So you can go ahead and cut them out and put them in order of if you were going to grow a garden or a plant or a flower or anything like that, okay? So you can color them if you'd like, or you can just cut them out the way they are and just go ahead and put them in order. And if you get really good, maybe you can cross off or cut off the numbers and see if you can put them in order without the numbers on there. All right, so that will be that. Now we're going on to math. Today we're continuing with tens and ones. On the front page, I'm going to have you go ahead and draw what 23 would look like. So if you're drawing, let me grab my pen. If you're drawing 23, a group of tens is just a long stick. That's how I draw it. So 10, 20, and then I need 3 extras, 21, 22, 23. So that'd be my 2 groups of 10 I drew, my 3 ones, which would give me 21. So it would look just like that. So all I did for tens were make these long stick-like figures. And then I did, so that would be 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. And then you're going to go ahead and turn it around, and you're looking at it, and you're going to make all your groups of 10 if you can. Anytime you find 10, go ahead and put a circle around them. Then you might have some extra ones, and you're going to see what would that number look like. So if I'm going to do this one here, this is a nice group of 10 here they found, and that would be into a train to make a 10, and then I have 6 extra ones. So I have one group of 10 and 6 ones, which makes the number 16. So let's look at number 1. I'm going to go ahead and count all the 10s I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's my group of 10. And I don't have enough for another one, so I just have one group of 10 and 4 extra ones, which would give me the number 14. All right, let's look at number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's a group of 10. I'm going to box that off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, another group of 10. So I have 2 groups of 10, and I just have that one little extra one right there. So I'd be 1, 1. So I have 2 groups of 10 and 1, 1, which would make 21. And I love that math talk question. How would you regroup 30? If I had 30, how many 10s would that be and how many 1s would that be? Well, let's look at that. I'm going to go ahead and draw it out. I'm just going to draw sticks for 10s. 10, 20, 30. Oh, I have it right there. I don't even need any 1. So it'd just be 3 10s and 1 1. No, sorry, 0 1s. No 1s at all. It'd be 3 10s and 0 1s. And I want you to go ahead and give number 3 and 4 a try. And down here, all they did is they took the picture away, and they're just saying if you have 35 ones, so picture 35 little cubes in front of you, how many groups of 10 could you make? I could make 3 groups of 10, and I'd have 5 leftovers, which would be 35. If this is a little tricky without seeing them, you can go ahead and collect something around the house you have a lot of, maybe pasta in your pantry, maybe pennies, or you can take paper and cut them into little pieces. And you can make 35 pieces and put them into groups of 10 and see what you have left over. Same with 47, 67, and 29. And then you're going to go ahead and do the problem solving on the back, numbers 9 and 10. And then you are going to do your homework page, which is only 9 problems. So go ahead and give that a try. If you have any questions, have your parents email Mrs. Lee and I can walk you through it. All right, I'll see you guys at 10 o'clock at our Google Hangout. And I will be back in later on this afternoon with our Ready Freddy. Have a great day, guys. Bye.